Good morning everyone and welcome to week 9 term 3 phonics. We're going to get started everybody with our 4 jobs of reading. Join in with me. When we're reading we have 4 jobs. First job, lift the words off the page and put them in our brain. Second job, read really fast. Read like a river, not like a robot. Third job, know what the words mean and put them in our suitcase. Close, lock. Fourth job, now here's the magic, understanding what you read. And we need to have our 4 jobs of reading so we can be strong readers, mighty spellers, and wizard writers. Our next job in phonics is to do some retrieval practice. What is retrieval practice? Did you say practicing things you already know? I hope so. And we're going to practice what we already know about phonemes. Tell me, what is a phoneme? A phoneme is a tiny sound that comes out of my mouth in a word. Well done. A phoneme is a tiny sound that comes out of my mouth in a word. Let's check. Is this a phoneme? B. Is it a tiny sound? Does it come out of my mouth? Is it in a word? Can you tell someone you know as many B words as you can think of? You can always pause the video too. Next, we're going to talk about what is a grapheme. A grapheme is the way the phoneme looks when you write it. Awesome job, everybody. Well done with your retrieval practice. We're going to continue with this now whilst reading our camera words. Now, these are camera words that we should already know fast and snappy. So if you're having a little bit of trouble beating me to read these words, you might need to keep on practicing these throughout the week. But let's go, get ready. We're going to retrieve our camera words. Try and beat me. Here we go. The, to, I, was, are, she, today, he, of, day, a, for. Well done. I wonder how you went. We're going to talk about our focus for today's lesson now, which is segmenting. And segmenting is a skill that we use to write. That's when we listen for the sound at the beginning of the word, in the middle, and at the end to be able to spell different words with the phonemes we've learnt. So now we've got an understanding of what segmenting is. We're going to have a look at our focus today, and I wonder if you can pick your goal. At the end of the lesson, are you going to focus on being able to segment 3 words? Maybe 4 or more words? Or maybe 6 or more words? Tell your family member now what your goal for your phonics lesson is going to be today. And when you're ready to begin, make sure that you've got a piece of paper and a pencil ready to segment. Let's get started. This time it is my turn. Watch me, listen. When I segment, I think about the word I want to write and I listen for the sound at the beginning, the sound in the middle, and the sound at the end. And I record the phonemes I hear as graphemes on my page. Let's have a look at my word. Ooh, there's a tick. I know that I get a tick if I get something right. Sometimes the teacher might say, yes, that's right. This is a picture for the word yes. Now, if I'm going to write yes, I need to think about what do I hear first? What's the sound at the beginning? And I'm going to say it really slowly. Yee, yee. I know a phoneme that sounds like that. Yee, yee. So I would be recording yee on my page. What do I hear in the middle? I'll stretch it out slowly. Yeah. I hear next. Yes. Yes. I hear 3 phonemes in yes. 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 Let's see if I'm right. Awesome. I wonder if you were thinking of the same phonemes I was, because now we're going to get ready for your turn. Make sure you've got your pencil and paper ready to segment. Let's see what your first word is. Ooh, there's a picture of someone who's thinking about some food, and I think that the word will be yum. That person is thinking of some yum food to eat. Think about the word yum and the sounds you hear. Count how many sounds. Yum. I hear 3. Can you record 3 phonemes as graphemes for yum? Off you go. Right? Yum. Yum. Let's see how you went. Does your word look like mine? Do you have ya, Well done. You can tick and fix as we go. Let's have a look at our next word. This is a picture of a man. Man. This is a hard one. Let's see if we can stretch those sounds to hear what is at the beginning, middle, and end. Let's count them as we go. Man. Man. Have a go. Can you write man on your page? Does your word look like mine? Did you have the man? In Australia, we don't always sound like we say man. We say man. That's just how we sound in Australia. But we know that those phonemes are ma, Well done. This is a picture of a pen. Can you write the sounds you hear at the beginning, the middle, and the end? Off you go. Pen. Pen. If you need more time, you can pause the video, but when you're ready, let's see if you're right. Did you have Well done. Fabulous job, everybody. Let's see what our next word is. Ooh, this is a picture of a leg. Leg. Can you write the sounds for leg? Think about how many sounds can you hear? Can you count them? G. Can you write them? Let's check. Does your word look like my word? Give it a tick or fix it if you need. This next one has 4 phonemes in it. Last phonics lesson, we learnt about the outside skin of a lemon is called the zest. Zest. Can you write the sounds for zest? This is tricky. Z, e, s, t. Z, e, s, t. How did you go? Does your word look like mine? Tick or fix if you need to. This word is blink. This is the hardest phoneme to segment, or hardest word to segment in our list today. It's a good idea to count the phonemes first so you can hear what's at the beginning, the middle, and the end. Let's have a listen. B, blink. Blink. Whoa, 5 phonemes in this word. Pause the video if you need to segment blink. How did you go? Give it a tick or fix if you need to. Okay, everybody, you might like to pause the video now and play a game with your parent or your carer today called My Word, Your Word. You might choose some of the words from our list of words today, and you might pick one, and both you and your parent or carer write the word down at the same time, and then after 3 you show each other to see if you both got the word correct. You could repeat this a few times to see who might be the first to 5, or even 10 if you'd like to. Pause the video now if you're going to play our game. But if you're ready, let's head on to check our goals for today. We're going to do a fast write now to see if you can segment 3, 4, or 6 or more words. I'm going to give you a word and then you're going to write it down in your paper. If I'm going too fast though, you can always pause the video. Parent and carers, our goal is to get at least 8 out of 10 words spelt correctly today. If your child has not spelt 8 words correctly today, then use this as an opportunity to revise some of our previous phoneme videos to make sure that your children have mastered the previous sounds in order to be able to spell them. Our goal is to get at least 8 out of 10. Are you ready? Here we go. Your first word to segment is zip. 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 Yes. 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 Jib. 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 Beg. 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 Yum. 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 Kit. 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 Met. 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 Kip. 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 Jig. 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 Tan. 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 When you're ready, you can use the list of words here to tick or fix your writing to see if you've met your goal today. And remember, parent and carers, we're aiming for 8 out of 10. Give yourself a go, and if you need to revise this video, you can always do this again later on today or at another time that suits you. How did you go? You can let your teacher know what your score is, and you might keep revising on segmenting our Unit 3 phonemes throughout the day or even tomorrow as well. Because next time in phonics, we're going to continue to do retrieval practice, we're going to continue segmenting, and hopefully we're going to get faster and snappier at being able to write with all of these new phonemes. Thanks for joining me for today's phonics lesson today, everybody. Bye for now.